Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Bison app, step by step. If you're new to crypto trading and want a super simple platform, Bison is one of the easiest places to start. First, download the Bison app from the App Store or Google Play and create your account. You'll need to verify your identity with a valid ID, since this is required for security and regulation purposes. Once your account is set up, you can add money. Just tap on Deposit, choose your preferred payment method, usually bank, transfer or other supported options, and load up your account with euros. Now you're ready to trade. On the home screen, you'll see popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Select the coin you want, tap Buy, enter the amount, and confirm your purchase. Selling works exactly the same way, just tap Sell. One of the cool things about Bison is its simple interface. It shows you clear charts, news, and trends without overwhelming you with complicated trading tools. Perfect if you're just starting out. You can also track your portfolio right inside the app. Go to the Portfolio tab to see how your investments are performing in real time. And if you ever want to withdraw, just tap Withdraw, choose your bank account, and send the money back. Super straightforward. That's it. You've now learned how to use the Bison app to buy, sell, and manage your crypto easily. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you've already tried Bison. Or if you're planning to start, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.